We have a first alert weather coverage completely for you today. Meteorologist Scott Padgett, Jeff Ray also here, plus Jason Allen and Jack Fink checking out the conditions on the roads. Scott, let's start with you. And I mean, it's been a busy day.
It has been a busy day. It was going to be a cold day for us, a dismal one as well. We're continuing to see the light rain right now in parts of the Metroplex, the east sides of Collin County, Dallas County. Not a whole lot of rain happening for us. Same story down to Kaufman County, but you can see the rain, that light rain making its way back through the north sides of the Metroplex. This is a loop over the last 3 hours, and we did see that rain continue to fall across a lot of North Texas. Now seeing a little bit of dry air mixing in. However, in our northern counties and our northwest counties, we're still seeing that freezing line trying to inch ever so slowly down to the south and east. So you notice that at times that color switches from green to blue, indicating some snow is trying to mix in. Same story now up to near Graham, stretching up through Wichita Falls, where we just showed you some of the video out of there of some of the snow that fell and is continuing to fall. Windthirst area all stretching to near Bowie. That line is just trying to work its way on in, but you're thinking, okay, maybe we're done. Not so much, because you can see that counterclockwise spin with the area of low pressure. It still has to track its way off towards the north and the east. So we're going to have this wraparound happening as we go into the next 5 to 6 hours. And that's when I do anticipate to see some of that rain and snow mix possibly in parts of the Metroplex happening. So the winter weather advisory, it stands until midnight. All the counties there indicated in the purple color. Thinking maybe now we could see on some elevated surfaces about a ½ inch. I said initially 3 inches. We're going to drop that down to probably about 2 inches. Maybe some slush on the roads. If we see that wraparound snow move in, maybe a dusting possible on grass and elevated surfaces through parts of the Metroplex. Our temperatures right now, low 40s to the upper 30s, and that's not factoring in the wind. We get even colder over the next few hours. More on that coming up, Steve.
Okay, sir. You were talking about the concern about conditions. We're going to check on those road conditions right now. Let's get to Jason Allen. He is live in Montague County in the town of Nakona. Jason, I know there's concern about those roads and making sure people are safe, but the real question for a lot of folks, any snow yet out there?
We wanted to get to that point, Steve, to kind of show you maybe what's on the way to North Texas. And this is where we had to come to Nakona to find that real rain-snow line, that mix. And for the most part, as we got in here this afternoon, it's been just a cold rain. But you can see now as we shoot down the street, there is some good snow that is mixing in here in Nakona. It's big, fat, wet, heavy flakes of snow. At times it'll disappear and just go back to that cold rain, but then pop right back into a burst of snow again. You don't see this very often, but look at this sign over here at this bank, the time and temperature sign, just down to 36 degrees. That matches the equipment that we have in our truck I've been running around with. It was 37 about 5 minutes ago, so dropping down now to 36 as we start to see more snow mix in. You talked about the roads, just wet right now. As we take a look at the grassy surfaces, which obviously this will be kind of the first place that it sticks, nothing to speak of yet because we've mostly had that rain. But we'll be watching, Steve, here in this area and closer back to our area in North Texas over the next hour. We're going to kind of try to follow this line and follow the conditions for you over the next few hours so you see what's coming.
One of the good things I see behind you there, Jason, is the traffic there. Those good folks in Nakona slowing down, even downtown, making sure that they stay safe. Thank you, sir. We certainly appreciate it. 70 miles southeast of where Jason is right now, closer to home here in Denton County. A cold rain continues to fall as well. Our Jack Fink picking up our live coverage right there in Denton. Jack, how's it looking there so far?
Well, Steve, we're along I-35E, just north of the University of North Texas campus. Let me take you outside right now, show you what we are dealing with. The traffic continues to move smoothly, and it's been like this all afternoon. The rain let up a couple hours or so ago. It's been very light, but it is cold and it's raw outside. There's still a lot of water on the road, so if you're still going out this evening, you've got to be careful of that. I checked with Denton PD, and they tell me there haven't been any major crashes today, and obviously they're hoping it stays that way. So are the drivers that we spoke with. The people who live around Denton say the roads have been fine, just a little slick because of the oil and rain. We also spoke with folks who are driving to the Houston area from Kansas, where they say they went through snow, but that turned to rain once they got to the Texas state line.
When we got to Gainesville, it started raining and it was hard to see, and it was very slick, and other people were kind of swerving along in there and stuff. But yeah, it was pretty tough.
It's pretty slick out here. It's pretty slick. It's wet, very wet, but the traffic has been good so far. So
I-35E in Denton. I also checked with the City of Denton Municipal Electric, and they have no power outages to report, but obviously they're monitoring the weather. And the City of Denton says its homeless outreach team is offering rides to the Denton Community Shelter and giving people blankets as needed. We're going to be checking in with them all afternoon just to make sure everything's okay, and obviously we'll pass it along when we see you at 5 o'clock. Steve?
Thank you so much. Stay safe out there, Jack. We are